Bay Road. I'm on a mission this morning, so I'm just showing a quick glimpse of what's going on down here. Hi, how are you? I ain't too happy I have to go out this morning, but I got to go. Because I can't imagine how poor Auntie going to look this morning. You think you're going here on the edge there? You think you're going here? Oh, okay. Yeah, man. I think if he was going back, he needed to turn around. Boy, this one here looked like a little baby. Completely this coming in here. And from what I heard, another one's supposed to come. I have some phone, you know, just to find it.
Come out!
Giving the good Lord thanks for waking me up this morning to witness an awesome day. Every day is an awesome day. I should say another awesome day. Thank you, Heavenly Father. In the name of Jesus, we praise and honor you. Praise you, dear Lord. Amen, amen. Man, look at the side of that, how they call it now, decks. That's what you say, decks, 5th deck, 6th deck. You win the area there so close. I would like to see this in the night. If I remember later, I'm going to come down here to see it off. I just never get enough of seeing these boats coming in. Well, and nobody more afraid to go on one than me. I'm playing with the idea since I'm 50. That means 16 years now I'm playing with the idea of going on a cruise. I promised myself that would be my 50th birthday gift. The year before I turned 50. Couple people disappear off of boats, and that was a deciding factor for me. I didn't put out that year. But somebody can drag me on one of these days. Good morning, Brenda O'Neill. Morning, Timmy. You're still on. Hi, morning. I've been on a couple because I was working for a short while with a lady down there by Port Zante. And we got a chance to go on a couple of them. Had lunch on a couple of them too. You see up top there always fascinate me. By looking at them, you know, up top there. Always fascinating. Hey, Tini. Somebody going fishing. That's rather nice of you. That's very nice of you.
They're always nice, you know, but some people don't know that,
Why?
I think I say it wrong. Everyone don't know that.
Why is it that every time I talk to you, or you talk to me, I feel a dropping one?
They will drop one on the 16, remember?
Oh,
No
all
time.
right. Okay.
Not to mention when you look at someone, I'll be a fool.
Hi. Come hold the camera for me, please. Come hold my phone there for me. Let me show off how I look. Yes, I'm going out today. Something real nice over the Marriott. So I'm just 15, I think. Thank you. Thank you. See, I'm showing off our dress. I don't get wet since I come down here. So we'll be here standing up. My foot and them well down. Fortunately, sandals I have on. With the cloth tops, so no problem. Huh?
Bigger than that.
Okay. Okay. Right on the edge. Should have been going need this to get up to pass that boy with a close-up look. Wow. That would be nice. Hey, hello, good morning. You see me showing off how I look? Make sure you put up how I look, you know. Make sure you put up if I look nice or not. And put it up now so that if anything I can run go back on the change. I'm going to a session over the Marriott this morning. So I'm squeezing in this before I go and catch the transport.
Everybody can be there, but the only time I walk up is
Thank you, Brenda. So I can afford to feel sleepy when I reach over the Marriott. Nothing African this morning. It's the first time I see something African.
I'm not just the problem with this, you know why?
Oh.
I'm not seeing them too much.
They say, well, you're always in the African outfit. Oh.
Who they take for you? Who they take for you? Oh,
Who you think they take for?
I was wondering, yeah. I don't know, I was just checking.
Oh. All right.
I was just checking. I didn't know. I was just checking. I wanted to find you.
Okay, Kim. Wow. It's just something to watch things like this, you know. Somebody tell me a time if I was to live in a bigger country, if I would spend all my time on the docks. Yeah?
I was wondering, I could have said I was wondering if can't do that.
Oh?
Because they did it yesterday. One of them
Ah.
turn around. But when I watch it, they look to me like they're going to touch the head, but they ain't going to touch the head. They ain't so stupid.
No man, they ain't nowhere near that.
They ain't so stupid.
They ain't nowhere near that. The pilot ain't still on it?
Okay,
Yeah.
remote out there.
Yeah, yeah.
Now you're saying how they look to me.
Yeah, yeah, I know what you mean.
Then she like, no, hey, look, if you can't look like you on top of that.
Yeah, yeah, true, true. But it's a good distance away. This is a good day to go near this boy to pass it. Yeah.
Clouds are heading west. Slowly but
Oh
surely.
man, I just love to see this.
By the way, the skies had looked earlier. I thought I know it would have been raining.
Don't talk too fast. Let me get on the bus first.
No, I wasn't bringing it down. And
Yeah, that's right. That's right there, don't talk too fast. Oh man. No, it's not turning back, it's turning around. Thank you, Tinny. Oh man, check this out. And then,
The whole island and the sea.
yeah, when you're passing it now on them boat to Nevis, you're like you can't see from one end to the next.
When you're going them there,
Yeah.
I've never been in one. When you're going them there, you gotta try to remember says on the sea a bit.
Oh,
Now when you're in there, this is so massive, you feel like
something
you're
else coming. Third one coming. You know how I just put to be down here in time to see this? See it just coming around this, isn't it? Yes, yeah. Yeah. Whoa. It's Turkey Day here. It's Turkey Day for y'all? Oh, okay. Yeah, I know. I don't really study this one day, you know, with America, you know, and the Thanksgiving story. So, have a good day, enjoy it, Kitish and King. Don't overeat the turkey. When I used to work in restaurants, I used to tease the American students here. Like up to next week, I would tease them and say, "Oh, you're still eating turkey, right?" Because now I had leftovers still. And they'll be able to pack food that lasts them another week or two after Thanksgiving. Look at this beauty. Oh man. Whoa. Just look at that. It's time for me to start walking. Wow. Whoa. Time like this, I wish I had a real camera. Seriously. Look at zoom a little more. Oh man. Kim, tell me the time there, please. Time, what the time there, please?
Exactly 7:50.
What?
Exactly 7:15.
Mary, if you do it, Mary, if you do it.
You could have let me walk wrong. You wait for me to do that here, but it's all right.
Love you.
Oh, good. Now you gonna stop me from loving you.
Aye, yeah. I got to run. Oh yeah, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut now to run up by the community center to pick up the bus. So, boy, I think it out here. I can't miss this chance. Later, everybody. I'm out of here.